So the first component that we have used is actually Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller that we use in any electronical project or devices that we make. And another component that we have used is Node MCU. It is a Wi-Fi module. We have used it for send our data, such as distance to on cloud. And this is a relay module which will control our motor for on and off of water supply. Apart from this, we have used ultrasonic sensor that will measure the distance of from the tank from the top, and we will calculate the volume accordingly. And apart from this, we have used breadboard we have used for making connection with all the devices. And basically there is two part. One is positive terminal, another is negative terminal. And this is the water pump motor that we will use to supply water from water to tank. And apart from this, we have used also two types of cables. The first one is cable that we use for Arduino, and the another one is that we use for Node MCU. These cables we attach to our laptop when we write the code. And apart from this, we have used three types of wire, that is male to male, male to female, and female to female, and we use it accordingly when we need them. And apart from this, now we are going to make connection. Let's see how we make connection, and you can also do like that way. This is our breadboard, and we are going to make connection. So we will take Arduino and take VCC part of it, means voltage part, 5 volt of it, and attach it to positive terminal of our breadboard. And we will, after that, we will take the ground part of it and attach to negative part of our terminal. Once both the terminal are created, after that we are going to connect it with ultrasonic sensor, and let wait for that. After making the connection, we are going to see it. And in an ultrasonic sensor, when you see, there are 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, trig and echo. And we will make connection accordingly. That for the VCC part, we will connect the ultrasonic sensor VCC to positive terminal, and these are all the 4 pins that I was talking about. And we will connect the ground part to negative terminal, and we will give echo and trig 2 pins that we can use in our code, and accordingly we can update in our code whatever pins we will use. And now I am giving pin wait for that now I am giving pin 13 to echo part and 12 to trig part. So this is how I made the connection with the ultrasonic. After ultrasonic, we are going to connect our relay module in order to control the water pump or our flow of electricity, we can also say that. In relay module, if we see, there is also a 3 pin, that is wait for that. In relay module there is also 3 pin, that is VCC, input and ground. So we will connect VCC part to positive terminal, and ground part to negative terminal. And apart from that, input we are going to give it as number 7. You can give anyone you want, accordingly you will update in your code. So we will give, for now it is 7. So as you can see, we are giving a negative terminal to it, and after that we will give input to it. And once the relay is connected, our next task is to connect the wire along with the relay and motor and battery. All thing we will combine together and make the connection. And for that, you can see how we make. Let's follow step by step. So we will take the red part of the wire and connect it to a common part of our relay, and the black part of wire we are going to connect with the battery. And similarly for the battery also, we will connect the red part to common part of the relay, that you see in relay other side. There is two part, common open and common part. Accordingly we will connect. You can refer the diagram for that we have shown in the description. And as you can see on the screen, in that way you have to connect the connection, make the connection. And once it is connected, we are ready to upload our code. And this is the last thing, that we have to connect Node MCU. And you can see we have compiled our code and it is running. And similarly the water has started flowing in our container, and this is the front part. And if I show you above part, so you will see the distance we are getting from it actually coming from a ultrasonic sensor that we have mounted on upper part of our tank. Let's wait for that. So you can see that, and you can see that water started flowing. This is our code that is running, and these are the connection that we have made. And you can see the upper part of the tank we have mounted ultrasonic sensor, and you can see the ultrasonic sensor is giving distance, and the water has started flowing. The water will flow until it reach the distance less than 5 centimeter. Once the distance is less than 5 centimeter, motor is going to off and water will start flowing. And this is the container that we have used to fill our tank with the help of motor. And you can see the distance is decreasing, and so if you see the reading, it's nearly onto the mark, and you can see the motor is off. And for the data part, you can use ThinkSpeak. You have to log in through your email, and after that, once you have login, you have to create channels. And once you have created channel, go to my channel, and you can see that as I have created, you can also create. The most important part of our IoT project was analysis. So we have done analysis, the total 4 analysis. We will see one by one. This is the daily water usage. As you can see, in the morning we use more water, in the night we use more water. After that, we have made a weekly analysis, in which you can see on Saturday and Sunday there is a more usage of water, and apart as compared to other days. And apart from this, we have made another analysis which is on the basis of yearly basis. So you can see in the month of April, May, June, we have used more water, as it is totally a summer season. And in December and January we used to use less water. And another byproduct of our project is that we can also generate bills according to water usage, that will make a huge impact on society. So person will be charged according to use of their water. And this is the how we have done our analysis. That's all about our project. Thank you.